ये अभी बहुत अजीब होने वाला है.
If you want to know more, stick around.
Welcome back to TMU Squad. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and to end your week off. Well, it's not the end of the week just yet. It's like Friday, but to end your week off, we have a special video for you guys. It's something that only South African Indians do. Probably somewhere else in the world, maybe if you're bored, but you probably do this well, maybe not.
Fun fact about Indians in South Africa is that, did you know that we are the second largest population of Indians outside of the country India? That's crazy, eh? Like the only place where there's more Indians than India is Durban.
Did you know they call it the manufacturing
The factory
of
shop.
Indians.
Factory shop.
Every Indian comes from there, guys.
Yeah.
But at any rate, if you guys do want to stick around, be a part of the squad. Subscribe, guys. Here we are always energized. We always do fun things, and most importantly, we are always smiling. So stay tuned, subscribe, leave a like, and let's get into the video.
Okay, and to start things off, you Indian, especially in South Africa, you Indian when you call tea without milk black tea.
Okay, that's quite interesting. I've heard that a lot of times.
A lot of times, yeah. A lot of like my uncles and aunts like to say they call it black tea.
Isn't that a common thing though?
I think it's a bit common, but like for Indians, it's
everyone says black tea.
Yeah, black tea.
You get green tea, you get normal tea, and you get black tea.
And normal tea, keep in mind, is to Indians tea with milk. That's the difference between black tea and normal tea. Milk. That's it.
Let us know down in the comments if you guys like black tea or you guys like normal tea. You know you're Indian when you say the food has less salt instead of saying the food doesn't have enough salt.
That is so true. That is so true.
Every time.
Everyone says that. Everyone. Mainly Indians though. No, not like
well, we're saying everyone because we live in a community of Indians.
Yeah, like everyone is Indian in our community for some reason.
In my house, we are Indian obviously.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm sure of that.
Most of us are Indian.
Yeah.
And what happens is, instead of saying, does this food have enough salt? Do you sure you put enough salt in here? We say, has less salt.
Yeah, exactly.
Straight up, less salt.
Indians are lazy when it comes to speaking, honestly.
It's an Indian thing.
It is.
Get on our standards.
You're Indian when you go to the shop and you buy the cheapest thing of an item.
That has happened so many times. I can't even stress, especially when there's like a sale and just buy the cheapest things. You go out there for bread, right?
Exactly.
And when you go out there and you find that okay, this bread is too expensive, then you end up buying the really crappy one. It's like, this is a good price.
Exactly.
That's
exactly what we do.
This is Indians for you guys.
And basically in my family, what we would do is we would buy a specific brand of bread. Like let's just say, for example. Now let's just say the shop puts a cheaper brand of bread.
Change
immediately.
What's this bread? I never ate this bread.
Never. It's too expensive. Too much. Even though it's like 1 rand difference or something.
The exact opposite to this one is you're Indian when you go to a store and something like maybe you're buying it on wholesale or special, but you buy so much that you don't need any of.
That is so true. You just buy in bulk. You just pile as much as you can into the trolley.
Oh yeah, my broom has a little bit of a crack. Let's get a new one.
And then you go and buy like 10 brooms. Why? What's the point of that?
10 brooms.
That's what they do. Okay, not for the brooms, but like,
why do you have so many brooms in your house?
No. Okay, for us, we basically buy a lot of cereal.
That is so
a lot of cereal.
Oh my gosh. Cereal.
Like it'll just start piling up in the cupboards.
That'll be done real quick, eh?
Yeah.
Blink of an eye, it's gone.
Exactly.
But that's what Indians do. We buy stuff and we buy a hell of a lot of it.
You're Indian when you have an army of chimes in your backyard.
Oh my gosh. And they make so much noise.
They are so annoying, especially when it's blowing in the nights. When you're trying to sleep and you just hear chimes going off.
Everyone has them, guys. Like if you're going to a friend that's Indian and you want to just go hang around, be ready for noise such as this. Like even if it's a little noise, you're gonna have noise. Like Indians, Us in the house, we love noise.
We love it.
This
And
is
we
the
love,
second point.
yeah,
that I wanna
we love
say.
buying things in bulk as well. So in the backyard, you'll probably find like the whole roof is just like it's full of hanging wind chimes.
They make so much noise. The other thing is with noise, us Indians love a lot of noise. That's why we are so loud.
Yeah, we can literally
Oh my gosh.
be sitting next to each other and we'll be screaming at each other. But like if
Yeah.
we're like standing far away, like if I'm like on the other side of the road and Anas is, I don't know, in Africa somewhere, we wouldn't even be able to hear each other even though we can scream so loud. Like it doesn't make sense.
Doesn't at all. Because you know what? I think we've scrammed so much.
Scram. Okay, yeah, we'll make that a new word. Okay, yeah, keep saying what you were saying. Yeah.
We scrammed so much that now we can't hear. Our ears are busted. Like,
Yeah.
our ears are finished. So now we have to scream in order for us to hear
Exactly.
something from the next person. But that is actually a fact. If you have an Indian friend, you would probably realize that he talks way louder than your other friends.
Yeah. He stands out from a crowd, definitely, without a doubt.
Not because he's Indian, because he talks a hell of a lot. And a hell of a lot.
And another thing to know that you are Indian is that you like to eat really spicy food.
Oh,
Like very, very spicy.
I'm
Like,
not even going against it. I love spicy food.
I also love spicy food.
If you had to ask me what an ingredient would be that I had to live off for the rest of my life, it would probably be something spicy.
And in saying that, we come to the part of our show called the Curious Questionnaire. You guys know what it is. It is basically a questionnaire where you guys send us questions about anything you want to know. Just leave it down in the comment section down below, and we will try and answer your questions in the next video. It can be about anything you want, like Donald Trump, whether he does ecstasy or not.
Anything, guys,
Anything you want.
something that you guys are going through, something that you guys want to know about us, we will gladly be able to answer your questions in the next video. Leave a like, leave the subscribe, guys, it helps us so much. And if you guys do want to watch what we create, subscribing actually helps you by it notifying you when we upload. And if you hit that bell notification, it will tell you more frequently.
As always, guys,
TMG.